Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram flip side feature not showing. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and here as you can see guys that I have got my Instagram flip side feature on my profile. And if you haven't got this flip side feature on your Instagram profile, or this key icon, which is meaning the flip side profile feature hasn't appeared on your profile, you have to first of all you have to update your Instagram application. You can go to your Play Store if you are Android users, or you can also go to your Apple Store if you are iOS user. And here I'm the Android user, so I'm going to open my Play Store and we can search for the Instagram application. And here we just need to update our Instagram, and since I have updated my Instagram application, so the update option doesn't appear right here. And after you have updated your Instagram, you can go back to your Instagram, then you can check it. But if you have updated your Instagram application and this key icon hasn't appeared on your Instagram, you can go to your setting and you have to clear the app cache of this Instagram application. Go to app setting and select Instagram. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, we can choose Instagram application, and then we're going to go to storage, and here we can clear cache. And after you have cleared the cache, or if you have removed the cache of your Instagram application, you can go back and check it. And I guess that's how we can fix Instagram flip side feature not showing. I hope this tutorial will work on your phone guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.